I'm John.
Jallison. Hey, Jimmy. I hope you're leaving some of them beignets for your constituents.
Here you go, piping hot. Stella, excuse me, Stella, no. No. Okay, for just one.
But, Miss Charlotte, you said later 2 hours ago.
Travis, when a woman says later, she really means not ever. Now run along. There are plenty of young fillies dying for you to waltz them into a stupor. Give me them napkins, quick!
What on earth for?
I swear I'm sweating like a sinner in church. Oh dear, it's getting to be so late.
There's still a few stragglers.
It's just no fair. My prince is never coming.
Now, Lottie.
I'll never get anything I wish for.
Lottie, wait. Just calm down. Take it deep.
Maybe I just gotta wish harder.
Huh?
Please, 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 please,
Lottie,
please, please.
you can't just wish on a star and expect things.
His Royal Highness, Prince Naveen!
Evening, Tiana. Marvelous party.
Evening, Mr. Fenner. And Mr. Fenner.
Fine-smelling beignets.
Gonna be the house specialty once I sign those papers y'all brought.
Yes. About that,
You outbid.
What?
a fella came in, offered the full amount in cash. Less you can top his offer by Wednesday.
You can kiss that place goodbye.
You know how long it took me to save that money?
Exactly. Which is why a little woman of your background would have had her hands full trying to run a big business like that. You know, you're better off where you at.
Love those beignets, though.
Now hold on there. You come back.
Tia! Time to hit Prince Charming with those man-catching beignets. What happened? Oh, you poor dear. Oh, Prince Naveen. We'll be right back, sugar. I got just the dress for you.